On today's body cam we're checking out, she lost control trying to stop her boyfriend's arrest.
Hey, boys and police.
It's either Mr. Nasty Tom or he taking a leak.
Anybody else back here?
There's three of us.
Okay.
You all done, man?
Oh, yeah.
Come over here for me. You got ID on you?
Yes, sir.
All right.
You're under arrest for urinating in public.
Wow.
You're free to go. You're a terrible lookout, but you're free to go. He's going to jail. Oh, he's going to go to jail.
So this is public right here?
Absolutely, it's in public.
How is it public?
Are you inside of a building? In a bathroom?
How is it public?
Hey, it's public.
Over here. All right. Come over here, man. Take care.
Yeah, don't identify with this one. I'll take them both.
Oh, all right. Take them both.
Yeah, I'll take them both.
All right. Hands are rub you on your back.
266. They're going to walk all the way across the street back over.
Just want to put the button.
You can hold them up so they don't fall down.
How much to hold up with my hands behind my back?
Where are you taking them? Excuse me?
They're arresting me.
What the fuck are you taking them?
Yeah, they're arresting.
Urinating in public.
Why are you taking them?
Whoa!
You're going to jail too.
Ooh!
Hands on your back.
No,
Hands on your back.
Well, he's going to jail for battery on a law enforcement officer.
Don't move your hands.
What the fuck am I getting arrested?
Yeah, she didn't do anything. She didn't, this is a power trip right here. We got power trips going on. These cuffs are way too tight for no reason. Like, what do you think I'm doing?
It's okay, Joe. It's the only thing.
Stop moving your wrists.
I'm not.
But I can put my entire finger in there. That's as tight as they need, babe.
All right, get up for me.
For my boyfriend, what the hell?
Get over here. You don't lunge at an officer. Let's go.
What would possess her to do that? Like, what? The look, first of all, the lookout, he sucked. He did a terrible job of looking out. And then her, why would she crash out like that for no reason? Like, I mean, I get it. She's upset that he's getting locked up, but you don't go trying to intervene and hit the officer and all that type of stuff. Like, what? You doing all that for a guy that you ain't gonna be with? If you know, hey, listen, I gotta keep it real. Most relationships, you get with somebody and you're not gonna be with them for the rest of your life. So you're gonna ruin your record for this? This is insane.
We're trying to get through a crowd, dude. You turn around.
And you got a more serious charge than homeboy just peeing in the dumpster.
Try to talk to us now.
Sees me getting arrested, she freaks out. Like I'm just telling you.
Hey, she's an adult. She can make her own choices. Man.
All right, wait right here.
She's a loose cannon.
You'll be okay. We'll get you. I just feel bad for her. That's it. I'm with you. I just feel bad.
Don't need to do extra shit though.
She just probably freaked out in the moment. She is not. You deal with this one.
You just take one of them.
You know there's some criminals out there, right?
Yeah, and I'd be dealing with them if I wasn't dealing with you guys.
Yeah, so is that not a problem that you're dealing with someone pissing behind a little area than real criminals that are probably beating up people, raping people? I feel like that's more of a problem.
It would be.
Yeah, cool.
But a crime is,
At least we agree.
a crime is a crime, right?
Yes, I don't know. I love you, Jillian.
Where would hurt?
She will freak out. I'm just worried. I'm worried. That's it.
Is this arrestable or is this citation?
Arrestable.
No way to put them in the phone.
I can't put them in the front.
Have a seat. Put your butt in first. Sometimes that's the easiest way to do it.
Watch your head.
You have ID with you?
What a dumb question. Is this arrestable or citation? Like, what? Like, clearly it's arrestable. Clearly it's an arrestable offense. That's why you're under arrest and they're bringing you down there. Now, have I seen this before? Yeah, I've seen people, you know, especially being out to bars and stuff like that. I've seen people piss, but the cops typically, they, you know, especially if it's a guy, they understand. Like, look, you know, they might let you slide, or if you were causing a scene before or something, then they gonna write you a ticket. You know what I mean? You gonna have that side. But I've personally never seen somebody get arrested for peeing, though. At least me personally, like, I've never seen it. I've seen it on BODYCAM before. There was a video I did, it was a boyfriend and girlfriend or whatever, and the one girl had a cowboy hat on or whatever, and they went in the bushes and peed, and they locked them up for it and stuff. But with my own two eyes, being at the bar scenes, I've never seen it. I've just seen, you know, they might write you up something.
You have your wallet. Where's your purse at?
I don't know.
She's a loose cannon, though.
Do you have your phone? Nothing?
I have my phone.
Where's your phone at?
It's right here. I'm sorry.
Do you have anything else in your pockets?
I don't.
Nothing? Okay. I just stand right there for you.
I'm just drunk. I didn't know why he was arrested.
So yeah, just hit a cop. Like, she's unhinged, man. She's not wrapped too tight.
All three of them are going to jail, so
No.
okay. You guys just hanging out and watching?
We're just they're our friends. What can I do to, like?
There's nothing. They're gonna go. You can look online at the Ada County Jail.
Can I ask why they were arrested? I'm confused.
They're both arrested for urinating in public.
I'm sorry, I was confused.
You know what they're R&O?
R&O, I think battery too.
Awesome.
Are my parents gonna be called?
How old are you?
21.
Are you 21? I think you're under 21. You're 20, right?
I'm 21.
21? Oh, yeah, you're 21. Okay. No, your parents aren't going to be called.
You're an
Unless you
adult.
want to call them.
Am I gonna be taken to jail? Or?
Yeah, we're just waiting for someone. They're going to take you down to jail.
Is this gonna go on my record?
Depends on how it plays out in court.
It's a misdemeanor. Resisting and obstructing and battery on a law enforcement
So
officer.
it's gonna go on my record.
No. Judge is gonna drop it for you. Trust me. I know. Trust me. You never been in trouble before. Listen, judges drops everything. They drop everything nowadays. So no, nothing's gonna go on your record.
So am I gonna lose my job?
I don't know. Where do you work?
I help children with special needs.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm not a bad person.
Alright. We're gonna go walk down this way.
I don't feel bad
just face
for
the
her.
vehicle right here. Separate your feet.
Okay.
Face the vehicle closer. Separate your feet. Do you have anything on you? No. Okay. I'm just gonna adjust your handcuffs. Okay. All right. You said you don't have anything else on you?
I don't.
Nothing. Okay. All right. You can step in and watch your head. And seatbelt. Thank you. What'd you say, dude? Just take a seat over here in the blue chair. Hold up.
Wow. Where all that shit hurt?
How that goes south?
Oh, you said that. I said you do this. I should have warned you, right?
The boys were charged with the misdemeanor of public urination, and luckily for them, their charges were eventually dismissed. The girlfriend was charged with resisting or
See what I mean? See what I mean? They got caught 1080p on BODYCAM pissing. Charges dismissed.
Obstructing officers and assault or battery on an officer. The court agreed to withhold her charges if she completes their conditions. 3 days in jail, 1 year probation, a 4-hour thinking errors class, and $657 in fines.